And don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment.
Hello guys! For making a winter cap, start by taking a paper strip, out of which I'll be making a ring. Take woolen thread of any color. For cutting it in equal length, I have a trick, and that too very simple. Firstly, I'll be wrapping the thread around my 4 fingers and then cut it all together from one side. Oops, sorry, not 4 fingers. I've used 3 fingers over here. The more you wrap, the more number of threads you'll get because we need lots of threads. Okay, this part is quite tricky. Just follow the steps really carefully. Now use all the thread to make the similar knots all over the ring till it is completely covered. And if you have any craft related queries or suggestions, please leave it in the comment section. Finally, fasten all the threads all together at the top. And trim the remaining to give a pom-pom look. Isn't it looking cute? And this is how it looks. Hope you like